Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone and happy 4th of July. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make these bourbon Rice Krispie treats, but they're gonna be festive because they got some sprinkles going on. They're red, white, and blue. Super, super great for the 4th of July. Tasty, delicious, an adult treat, and not too hard to make, but also, like I said, bourbon. But let me get to making them, okay? Okay, so to start this recipe, you wanna begin by just melting some butter in a large pan. You definitely want a large pan for this recipe. After you melt the butter, you're gonna add in some marshmallows. You can use larger marshmallows, but I think the mini ones work the best because they're just a little bit more easy to move around, so melting them is not as hard. And just over a low heat, you wanna melt all of the marshmallows. That's looking pretty good, it's getting there. Get all those lumps out. Okay, now that it's all melted, I'm gonna add in my vanilla extract and my bourbon. And I'm just gonna mix this all together until all of the bourbon and the vanilla extract is incorporated into the melted marshmallow. The thing that's nice about this is it adds a little bit more of a liquid consistency to the marshmallow, making it a little bit easier to work with. Plus, it also smells really fucking good. That's looking pretty nice there. Oh yeah, that's looking really good. It's really important to do this over a low heat because if you get too much heat, you're gonna burn this mixture, and you know what? You don't want that to happen. Now I'm gonna leave the pan on the burner but turn off the heat while I start to work in the Rice Krispies. The reason I do that is the extra heat makes it a little easier to mix them in. If you've made these before, you know just how difficult it can be to make Rice Krispie treats. It definitely requires some elbow grease. Add in some more. Just get all of that yummy bourbon-y, vanilla-y, marshmallow-y stuff just worked in all of the Rice Krispies. You'll hear them start to snap, crackle, and pop. That means it's working. Okay, add in the remaining Rice Krispies. I've now turned off the heat. I just want to fold this all together, get all the Rice Krispies covered. Then what I like to do is spread it all out and work in some of the sprinkles now. And then when I fold it into the pan, the greased pan, then you get the sprinkles kind of throughout the whole Rice Krispie treat. And just a scoop at a time, add the bourbon-y Rice Krispies to your greased pan and see how the sprinkles are getting evenly dispersed by doing this. This way I don't have to actually work to get them in there. Comes out nice, straight into that pan. Then once you have it all in there, just flatten it all out, getting it into all the corners. And we're gonna add some more of the sprinkles because this is for 4th of July. And this is America, motherfuckers. And we want our red, white, and blue, even if it's red, white, or pink, white, and blue. Just get all the sprinkles on there. Now we're just gonna let it cool. And then after they chill, just cut them into squares and then they're ready to serve. And there you go. Bourbon Rice Krispie treats for America. There you have it. Bourbon Rice Krispie treats, and they're all American and shit. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if this is your first time watching, please subscribe. Also, drop me a comment if you want to talk about food. I hope you have a great 4th of July, and I'll see you guys next time.